Hi AD, this is Mira. Welcome to my home. Come. Home to both Shahid and I is a space where we want to relax, we want to feel most comfortable. Shahid and I have very different aesthetics. He likes to be a lot more experimental, a lot more creative, and I'm only thinking about how practical things are, is it easy to clean? So it was kind of finding the right balance between form and function and allowing both of our personalities to shine. So this formal living room is actually a lot of me. There are all the things that I like. There's this candle stand that I picked up when I was in Copenhagen, pictures of family, some silver. I love having little elements of silver. A lot of coffee table books. That's something that I've got from my dad. He was a big collector of coffee table books. This light is actually one of my favorite pieces. It was almost like a non-negotiable. A lot of our decorative lights are lights that are almost like pieces of art because it, I think, blends Shahid's love for light and my love for art. Between Shahid and I, we both love collecting things. The art in our home is also an extension of us. Every piece has a little memory attached to it or some kind of significance. The Yuvan artwork that we have, it changes color. And when I saw that, I felt like it's meant to be in the dining area because it's a long space that you walk through often, and as you walk, the colors change. So it's meant to be in a space where there is a lot of movement. So this opens up into the kids' space. When all the cousins are over, they have their own mini apartment that they can play in. We wanted the kids to feel like they never feel restricted. So if we're going upstairs, we're having a party or we're getting ready for a shoot, they can still do exactly what they like. So this floor is all about family. It's about making memories. That was one of the reasons why we wanted to keep all the spaces very open. And I think we've gotten very lucky to have a large balcony space, and we wanted to keep it as an extension of the living room. And it's almost like it's one large cohesive space. So while this is a space for us as a family, the upstairs is a place just for Shahid and I. So Ankur has known Shahid for the better part of 20 years. So when we got this beautiful bare shell apartment, I think it was almost instinctive that we reached out to her to do up the entire space.
Mira has been asking me for the longest time, what would you coin this style and word to be?
Yeah.
And finally, I have thought of this being like a new Greco-modern style because it's really inspired by the New York looks with the Santorini Greek influences, where you have this beautiful cement textured walls, which is so Shahid, and the staircase, which was the most avant-garde architectural style that we all clicked on.
Yeah,
instantly.
that was the first thing that Ankur presented to us, and we said, that's it. We have to have this staircase. And everything kind of was designed around that staircase.
Yeah. So I think that that has been the most beautiful element of the project.
When I moved to Bombay, when I got married, everyone was finding space. And I think having that space was most important to us without feeling like you're getting lost in a house. It's where the four of us have found ourselves all together, our first one for the four of us. So thank you for coming to our home, AD. Bye.